Okay, Alyssa, 11:45 now, and let's get working on this forecast out to the Civic Center in Holland, where what you're seeing up above in terms of cloud cover is pretty representative of what we've got around all of West Michigan at this point. Some passing fair weather cumulus clouds, but really, I don't think we have much of a concern for any rainfall as we go forth. Now, one of these darker clouds around the region could drop a sprinkle here or there, but nothing that will be bothering any outdoor plans here on this Thursday. I don't see it. Grand Rapids, yes, some intervals of sun we've had thus far, and likely it will look mid to late afternoon, similar to what we've got right now. So that means basically quiet weather today, and we're going to hold that quiet weather through Friday and Saturday. Sunday, there's going to be a risk for a thunderstorm at some point later in the afternoon, perhaps more likely into the evening and overnight into Monday morning. There will be a cold front that will be dropping in from the northwest, and out ahead of that remains to be seen if a weather disturbance or a couple disturbances could produce a complex of storms that could try to come in before the actual cold front crosses. So the window for wet weather Sunday afternoon and evening and right on through Monday. We'll keep tabs on that. A bit cooler early next week, though. Temperatures behind that cold front that I'm talking about that will slide through at some point on Monday. Readings are going to drop off. I mean, we could have some highs in the upper 70s to around 80 degrees for a string of a few days there into the middle of next work week. Any lightning and thunder across Ohio at this point. You can see some patches of clouds over Michigan and off to the west in Wisconsin, but really nothing more than just broken clouds. So there will be times of sunshine today. We're honing in on that radar and not seeing really anything. So I think likely that trend will continue. Temperatures in the low to mid 70s off across our northern zones. We've got middle 70s here, Grand Rapids, Holland, Ionia. Maybe that hasn't been updated recently, 71 degrees. And then 80 degrees now showing up in Three Rivers. We're on a trajectory here in GR for around 81, perhaps 82 by day's end. A northeast breeze that's been light. You know, our winds have been very light actually for the past week and a half for the most part. And, you know, that means that when you got light winds, any of the humidity, and the humidity is not terribly high, but when it's in this moderate category and you got light winds, it almost feels a little bit more humid than it actually is. 77, we'll call it at noon here in GR, make it to 81 or so by day's end, and kind of maintain some of that warmth. As you know, the sundowns don't check in until several minutes after the hour of 9 o'clock, so you can maintain some pretty warm temperatures there through 7, 8 o'clock, and that's what we'll do today. We've got these scattered clouds around, and you see the model trying to break out a few sprinkles and a light shower at 1 o'clock. That's overdone, folks. It's just sometimes when you get this moisture around 5,000 to 10,000 feet off the ground, which is a representation of what would be some fair weather cumulus clouds, sometimes the model interprets that as the moisture that could come down to the ground in terms of a shower. And I guess you can't rule out a few sprinkles, but there won't be much going on, that's for sure. Overnight tonight, we've got the mostly clear to partly cloudy skies, and then we'll take that into tomorrow. Pretty similar turnout tomorrow to what we're getting today. Probably a few lesser clouds overall on Friday, but still we'll classify it as mostly sunny to partly cloudy on Friday. And pretty much a repeat performance on Saturday, except that the atmosphere will be warming up slowly but surely through tomorrow and Saturday. So we go to around 84, 85 tomorrow, call it 88, 89 on Saturday. And then I think we do actually get above 90 on Sunday, Alyssa. That chance for a shower or storm as a cold front approaches at any point Sunday afternoon into the evening through Monday. Drier by Tuesday, Wednesday. Not too bad for what will be almost August at that point. Temps around 80 degrees.
More and more